Alright, what up, y'all? So, we're gonna pull a prank on my sister, Sadie. Alright, so what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna get this car, this Honda, nice Honda. You know, she wanted a Honda. I'm gonna take her for a test drive. Sadie's right across the street over there in that house, okay? So I'm just gonna be like, oh, Sadie, you know, me, Sammy, and Anthony, I don't know, mention people, and be like, we pitched in for this car. We got it for you and whatnot. She's gonna be like, oh my God, you know, all that crybaby, emotional, gay stuff. And then we're gonna be like, you know what, Sadie, so just take it as a early graduation present. I don't know what I'm gonna say, I'm gonna put out some words. And then, yeah, so we're gonna see what she says and how she reacts. And then, you know, towards the end, oh, psych, no, we're not. We just take it for a test drive and all that. All right, so let's go. All right, so the owner's pretty chill. He let me use it, and you know, he's Latino, he's Mexican. All right, guys, well, this is where I thought I was going to prank my black sister, but there was a twist. Here's Sadie, my sister's point of view.
So I was running, right? And then my brother Sammy picked me up because he saw me on the way to Walmart. After that, Johnny calls him. And then he's like, let's prank Sadie, right? So he doesn't know that I know because he was on speaker in the car. So I heard him say, oh, let's prank Sadie, you know that. And I've been wanting a car and everything, you know. So he wants to prank me that he's gonna go get a car at the dealership. So yeah, so he's gonna try and surprise me with a car, supposedly, because it's not actually gonna be mine. And then we're gonna get him back. Guys, so these niggas are at the dealership right now. And we can see them from here. That's Johnny's wife and that's Johnny right there and Sammy. Oh my freaking God, bro. I can see that he's about to drive the new car. Oh my God. Okay, stay tuned.
All right, well, that was Sadie's point of view. Now let's go back to me thinking that I was the one pranking her. Sadie, go back. Go back. Go back.
What, nigga? Why are you recording?
Look. So, look, we got you a little something.
Stop, nigga.
Nah, for real, listen. Me, Sammy, Anthony, and my mom, we all know you wanted a car. Okay? So we pitched in. Sammy pitched in.
No way.
Anthony, it's a cheap 4G. For how much 4Gs? 4G. You'll see what kind of car it is.
Seriously?
It's not a Jeep. Yeah, look. Damn. Sadie, chill. Okay, give a black ass an Oscar for good acting. Props to that fake ass crying nigga. Alright, let's proceed. Let me finish, look. Let me finish, look. Sadie, look. Sadie, don't cry, yeah, chill, yeah, let me finish. So look, we know you wanted a car and we know you needed one, and you know, we know you couldn't get it, so we put the down payment and we covered like 2 G's of it, and we'll tell you all the information later.
Really?
Yeah. So what you're gonna do now is close your eyes. Okay? So and Sadie, don't open your eyes. Or you know what? I don't trust you, just walk backwards. Alright, Sammy. Okay, chill, nigga. Walk backwards. Don't look back.
Dude, I have a car,
Don't look back. Don't look back.
Wait, okay, let me see. Let me see.
No, wait.
Wait, can I see it? Can I drive it? Can I drive it?
Yeah, just take it around the block.
Okay.
Baby,
I'll be
reaction.
back. I'm coming with y'all. No,
I want to drive with me and Olga.
This is our first car.
Let me go with her. Let me go with her.
Oh, Honda!
Give Olga the phone.
Hey! Okay.
He said it was
So we just left the house.
Okay, guys.
And these
Look at me.
stupid
I'm
asses
literally in freaking tears. Let me see. I'm literally in tears.
They're so stupid.
Because I have to do. Are my acting skills good? Are my acting skills good?
Yeah, she's good. She's
Oh
good.
my freaking God.
So pretty much right now we're just gonna
go around the block.
go around. Diana wanted to come with us, you know,
Yeah,
but we had to kick her out.
No.
We had to kick her out.
Yeah.
But
Oh my god, we're ready? Okay. They probably feel really bad because Diana was like, oh my god. And then I was like, good actor.
when you were crying, I wanted to cry.
I
to be
know,
honest.
because I thought it was a real car. Dude, this is literally like Celes' car.
Dude, look at this car.
This
It's
is
dirty,
beautiful.
but I mean,
no,
it's
it's freaking
nice.
beautiful.
And you look good in
I
it.
wish I had a car. I
It's
don't even
okay.
have my seatbelt.
One day you will. Okay.
Yeah, one day.
One day, I promise.
Yeah. We will.
Okay.
Oh my
so,
god. I was such a good actor.
I know you.
Well, guys, because it felt real. Like
I know.
And I had to act like it was real.
I felt
like,
it.
yeah.
I really felt it.
These stupid assholes over here playing with my feelings.
I
Oh my
know.
god.
Look, no, look. You guys are gonna pull a recording, all right? Johnny's gonna tell you guys it's a prank, okay? But then you guys are gonna be
No,
like, we gotta
Sammy,
go.
we're gonna tell him that we
No,
crashed.
No, not that you guys crashed. Don't do that. Check this out. You guys are gonna pull a recording. You guys are gonna pull a recording. Johnny's gonna tell you guys it was a prank. Inside be all mad, be upset, cry, whatever. And then we're gonna tell him it was a prank. But you guys are gonna
Guys, so change of plans. So what me and Olga were thinking is that we're gonna go back, and then I'm gonna start hitting the car, and I'm gonna have a major meltdown.
prank,
Yeah,
she's gonna go crazy.
I'm gonna go crazy, and you don't know, Sadie, when I'm crazy, girl. Just kidding. And then so we're about to pull up over there right now.
Who's gonna break the news to her? I ain't.
She started crying, nigga.
That's so messed up. She went to go drive around the
But she
block.
started crying, nigga. Man, Sammy, you're gonna have to. Baby, I don't know what to say. Damn. You better hurry up.
You got nails? That nigga right now, she
Nigga.
leaves with it, nigga, and you didn't. Oh boy. But she'll be like, oh, you motherfucker.
Yeah, she'll be
she
like,
won't get
damn. Oh, wow, bro. Damn, I feel bad. Now we have to get her a car. Baby, what do we do?
Tell the truth. I don't do that.
Alright, guys, well, right now we're gonna see what happens. She wrote a ticket for a test drive. And she's really excited. We're gonna see what she says.
We're so messed up.
But it's because she's wanted a car for a long time. And we just do this and then we just tell her it's a prank. Nigga, I'd be pissed. I'd be like, man, get the hell out of my face, nigga. Nah, let her enjoy her moment of having a fake car.
That sucks, bro.
Let her do it right in the front.
Chiquito!
Why would you do that, babe? That's kind of messed up.
Sucks, nigga. You thought of it, baby. You told me. I didn't want to do it, but you told me.
Okay, well, but I don't want to show where I live. Nobody needs to know where I live.
Oh no, I'm gonna put it wrong.
We're back.
How was it?
It's the other way. You got like this.
It's too late.
This is such a cool car, dude. Dude, it's like Celes' car.
It is.
It's like Celes. You know how bad I wanted a car like that?
I thought you wanted a Jeep.
Yeah, I thought you wanted
a Jeep is too expensive, you know.
How do you feel, Sadie?
Freaking amazing.
You feel amazing?
We can drive to work today.
Yeah, dude. No more.
Wait, but
rebates
Sadie,
for
we have
gas.
something to tell you.
Girl, you alright.
Sadie's.
Stupid! I freaking swear, you dumbass. Okay,
Sadie. Look, Sadie. Don't do nothing in the car, nigga. You can't do nothing in the car. I gotta take it back, Sadie. I gotta take it back, nigga. I have to take it back. Sadie!
What a little.
Oh my god.
She knew.
Oh, God.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's
We're actually
a prank.
saving up to get you a car.
Shut
I'll just
up!
give you a little detail. I'm not lying. We're actually
I had a
saving up
wedgie,
to
sorry.
get
Dude,
you a car,
you're
bro.
freaking messed up.
It was Diana's idea.
No, it wasn't.
It was Diana's idea. I was like,
Okay, let's go to work.
Yeah, we need to get ready anyways.
Alright, guys, now.
all right, let me see.
Wait.
The future, I'm a
Who
future
is
as well.
kicking your ass?
Okay, we have something to tell you.
This is the part where you like, subscribe, and comment, so get ready to see my reaction. And grab your yetos.
You already knew.
You guys just been pranked.
What do you guys told her, huh?
No. Funny ass story.
Stupid ass. Let me explain.
Let me
Your
explain.
stupid ass caught Sammy when I was in the car with him.
Oh, wow.
So the
How was
prank
that supposed to?
backfired.
How was that supposed to know? Because Olga was only like Sandy went to Walmart. I was like, oh, is he gonna come back? I didn't know nobody was doing it.
I saw her running on the elevator.
She was running and he saw her. And when you called her, the phone's
We're on the way
connected
back
to
from Walmart.
Bluetooth.
Oh, wow.
So everything you said.
Everything you said, you heard, nigga.
So who got pranked now? Huh? Who got pranked?
Acting skills are amazing, huh? She was crying.
This bitch made me wanna cry.
That was actually pretty good.
Yeah, so who got
Oh,
pranked?
you did what you guys know.
And I recorded everything on my phone. You
Yeah, so we have videos.
Yeah, Sandy.
Oh my god, bro.
We got him.
Ay, pobrecita, you suck. You suck.
Either way.
Nah, it would have came out good if I had time to plan it. The only reason why we rushed it was because this little girl right here wanted someone else.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this, dude.
They thought they were pranking
Yeah, basically
somebody.
got Dianaae, not me. Man.
We got you too, shut up.
Damn. Oh wow, bro. Damn, I feel bad. Now we have to get her a car.
We got you too, shut up. Shut up.
He felt bad.
I did. I felt bad. I was like, damn, she started crying.
No, because the thing was that we were gonna prank you guys that I crashed the car.
Yeah, we were.
We had it planned
That
out,
would've been
boys.
Started
worse.
recording,
Yeah, we
right?
were.
And Sammy's stupid ass answers.
I know, my baby ruined it. I know, there's a video in your phone where I was like,
Baby,
Give
look.
us 2,000 million likes. Just kidding.
The only reason why they got me was because I didn't plan it because of.
Ay,
blame this
shut
on
up.
Dianaae. It's like the timing.
Ay.
Dianaae wanted to
Get
rush
it,
it today.
Chichi.
Watch, the next prank, y'all gonna see I'm a time again, and they're gonna believe me that I
Shut
like time.
up. You just mad
You don't
because we got
believe
you
me.
back.
You don't believe me, but watch,
You just
nigga.
mad because everyone's gonna see how bad
Watch,
we got
nigga,
you.
you guys are gonna see me once. Verdad, bitch.
Okay, well.
Okay,
Alright.
successful as hell.
You guys-
They were pranking somebody, but at the end of the day, they got pranked.
Sammy basically backstabbed his
That's
own
how
brother.
the Domo family
That's
do
a
it,
fake
bro.
nigga, right? That's fake. That's
No,
fake.
that's a real nigga right
Alright, you
there.
guys, well,
Did you guys see how sad he cried? I'm like in shock. Still.
baby, this is your phone, nigga.
Hey,
Shut you got no right to
Hey,
speak.
Call
You got
me,
no right
call
to
me,
speak.
call me if anyone wants me to come out in a movie. I'm a good actor. I'm just kidding.
Okay. Alright, you guys, well, that's the video for today. Thank you guys. And
I can't believe this. I can't.
like and share this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all for those who support it and all that. And man, give some props to Saturday. That's some pretty good acting skills. And Olga and Sammy for helping out. I mean, that's a pretty good prank. I didn't know it would have came out better if I had time to plan. But and also I want to give a big shout out to I think it's Alex Bahina or Transformation 1. Yeah, I know. But yeah, thank you. 'Cause
Love you. Keep